WaveSpeed AI offers a fresh take on video generation, but does it live up to the hype? With so many tools out there, it's tough to find one that truly delivers. Let's dive into what makes WaveSpeed AI tick and see if it's worth your time. WaveSpeed AI is designed to simplify the video creation process, allowing users to generate videos quickly using AI technology. The platform claims to cater to a wide range of users, from content creators to marketers. You start by selecting templates, then you can customize elements like text, images, and even audio. What stands out right away is the user interface. It's quite intuitive, making it accessible even for those who might not have technical skills. However, while the initial setup seems straightforward, I found some features a bit lacking in flexibility. For instance, the customization options, while present, could use more depth, especially for advanced users looking for specific functionalities. Another point worth mentioning is the speed of rendering. WaveSpeed AI claims to process videos in record time, and while I did notice decent performance, the quality sometimes felt compromised, especially on more complex projects. There's certainly potential here, but it does raise some questions about overall reliability. When weighing the pros and cons, WaveSpeed AI has some clear strengths. The user-friendly interface is a big plus for beginners, and the quick rendering times can definitely save you a lot of hassle. However, there are notable downsides. Customization feels limited, which might frustrate anyone looking to create more unique content. Moreover, I noticed a lack of comprehensive customer support options, which can be concerning if you run into issues. Pricing also feels a bit steep for what's offered, especially when compared to competitors that might provide more robust features at a similar or lower price point. In short, while WaveSpeed AI has its merits, it may not be for everyone, especially those needing more advanced tools or robust customer support. In conclusion, WaveSpeed AI could work well for casual users or those new to video creation. However, if you're an experienced creator looking for flexibility and support, you might want to explore other options. Overall, it feels like a decent starting point, but not quite the final destination for serious video projects.